tender moment at the fair. A young lady approaches. And what does the robot dog do? It gives her its paw. Oh no, I'm dying. This dog has better manners than my ex. They greeted each other as if they were old friends. Nice to meet you, miss. The pleasure is mine, little robot. Oh no, it seems the little dog liked the young lady, and it starts doing the impossible to get her attention. Look, it's doing push-ups. 1, 2, oh, with more strength than I have at the gym. And what's next? A backflip? Yes, a damn backflip. Miss, look what I can do for you. Boom. Another somersault, straight to the heart. If this isn't love at first sight, robotic version, I don't know what is. This robot didn't come to show off. It came to flirt. But wait, the robot dog starts to slowly move away from the lady. It walks towards the center of the stand. It climbs onto the stage, and then I understood everything. I thought it was flirting, but no. I judged it wrong. This is not a flirty dog, it's a professional, a true ambassador of the stand. It's there fulfilling its mission, attracting attention, generating likes, and selling high-level technology. What commitment, what passion, what dedication. And like a true artist, the show goes on. It jumps, spins, dances, does digital breakdance. The children scream, the adults take out their phones, and the supplier smiles because they've already sold half a dozen just by watching it. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it may not have a heart, but it has the soul of an influencer. And when everyone thought it couldn't surprise anymore. The little dog starts dancing again. But this time it's not a normal dance, no sir. It's like a mix between breakdance, tai chi, and a Martian ritual. Look at those moves. It seems like it's summoning Wi-Fi from the universe. I don't know if he's dancing or trying to communicate with his mothership. The best part is that it does it with total seriousness. As if saying, attention humans, this is contemporary canine art. And there it is, giving it all, without asking for water, salary, or likes. It just wants to put on its show. And suddenly, a very enthusiastic man appears. He gestures to the little dog, all friendly. Come here, little one, give me your paw. And what does the robot dog do? Nothing. It ignores him completely. Everyone thought, wow, this one is selective, only greets if you're pretty. Huh? But, wait. It turns its head, makes a half turn, and approaches slowly. It turns out it did want to greet, it just wanted to make sure not to do it from afar, because it's a well-mannered professional dog with ISO 9001 protocol. How adorable, please. It's not that it ignored him, it just wanted to do it right. More than a robot dog, it's a titanium gentleman. And when you thought the show was over, suddenly, everyone wants to greet the little dog. Someone over here extends a hand. Another over there says, come, come. This is no longer a stampede, it's a line to meet the celebrity of the moment. And what does the dog do? It stays still. It slowly turns its head, and a strange symbol appears on its face. A confused little face like, is it thinking? Is it confused? Or is it simply loading a system update? I don't know, but that little face said it all. Everything. Some managed to get the much desired paw shake and celebrate as if they had won the lottery. Others are left with their hand extended, staring into the void with a broken soul. Ladies and gentlemen, the robot dog does not let itself be pressured. It chooses who it connects with. And just when we thought this robot was a superstar without an identity, the provider calls it by its name. Xiaomai, Gendai, Awagasho. What? Is its name Xiaomai? Yes, it has a name. And it sounds as sweet as he is. Now everything makes sense. It wasn't just a robot doing tricks. It was Xiaomai, the most polite, adorable, and obedient robotic ambassador of the place. And best of all, it obeys commands in Chinese. They say, wushu, and it extends its little paw like a true digital gentleman. I was like, hey, I also want a Xiaomai at home. After saying goodbye to Xiaomai, the most charismatic robot dog of the event, I continued my way through the fair, and suddenly I came across this. Some? Pose? Yes. Yes, literally. Some spheres. And I thought, is this a soccer exhibition or what's going on? But no, brother. I get closer, watch the explanatory video. And boom. It turns out these little balls are the elite of technology. This little ball not only rolls, it can be a police officer, rescuer, space explorer, or secret agent. It moves through difficult terrains as if it's nothing, rolls through mud, stones, stairs, even debris. And the best part, you can add external modules to it. Just look at this. Thermal camera, sensors, robotic arms, GPS, radar. It's like R2-D2 did CrossFit. And to think I had underestimated it. I thought it was just a ball. And it turns out it can save your life. You know what they say. Don't judge a ball by its round shape. Well, we continue touring the fair and arrive at another stand where there's a quite interesting robot. This one is taller, more humanoid, moves its arms, responds to you, it can even make gestures. Yes, all very futuristic. But truth be told, I'm still thinking about Xiaomai. This robot can talk, but Xiaomai greeted me with its little paw, danced for me, made me laugh. So I'm not going to say much here, better leave it to you. Watch the video, judge for yourselves. Well, and here we arrive at another stand where a robotic arm with visual recognition awaits us. Yes, it can identify, classify, sort, all as if it had eyes, hands, and a master's degree in logistics. This model is small, but the supplier tells me they can make them much larger for production lines in real factories. And as I watch it move so precisely, without getting tired, without making mistakes, I can only think of one thing. Technology is advancing so fast that soon my job could also be at risk. First the cashiers, then the drivers, and now these machines already perform tasks that were once 100% human. Maybe it's time for me to learn something that robots still don't know how to do, like taking naps after lunch.
Hello.
And, well, I kept walking through the fair and suddenly I came across a huge crowd. What's happening here? I look over the heads and there it is, an automatic coffee machine. But of course there were so many people that I couldn't even get close. So I raised my arm as if I were recording a concert and captured what I could from above. It seems that everyone loves coffee and the technology that prepares it. This machine is perfect for shopping centers, stations, or airports. On the left, it has a touch screen where you choose your coffee, scan the code, and pay instantly. In just 1 minute, a hot and aromatic cup comes out ready for you. I heard someone ask the price, and the supplier responded, $5,000. No, not 5,000. $5 million. Okay, about $50,000 per unit. But to be honest, this smells like a profitable business. Coffee money. This supplier presents an underwater cleaning robot. Yes, just as you hear it. A small robot that moves within the water, detects trash, leaves, dirt, and automatically collects it. It is ideal for outdoor pools, fish ponds, or any place where keeping the water clean is a daily challenge. And the best part, it works on its own, without anyone getting wet or lifting a finger. Seeing this, I can't help but think. More and more tasks that were once 100% manual are now done by machines. They clean, sort, greet, dance, even make coffee. Technology at the service of convenience and perhaps also replacing some jobs. But well, at least robots still don't know how to make bad jokes like I do, cool guy. Moving on to the next stand, an old acquaintance. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, a robot vacuum cleaner. Does it work well? Yes. Is it useful? Very. Have we seen it 1,000 times? Also? So, with all due respect, let's move on to the next one. And here indeed, I stopped with attention. Because this product is not only interesting, it is truly useful. It is a robot specialized in cleaning high-rise glass facades and also solar panels. Yes, those jobs, which normally require personnel hanging with ropes in dangerous conditions under the sun or rain, can now be done by this machine without human risk. It works with suction and rails. It adheres firmly to surfaces, and it moves precisely from top to bottom, cleaning with constant pressure. I saw it in action and honestly it's hypnotic. It leaves everything sparkling as if a magic eraser passed over the glass. In tall buildings, offices, hotels, even solar power plants. This is not just a modern gadget. It's a smart solution to a very real problem. Less danger, more efficiency. And also probably lower operational costs in the long run. I found this robot quite charming and above all, useful. In many hotels in China, they are already using this type of robot to deliver food directly to the rooms. It works like this. The guest orders food, either from the hotel restaurant or via delivery, and the robot takes care of bringing it to the door, without getting the floor wrong, without ringing the bell twice, and without forgetting anything. It rolls down the hallways like the butler of the future, with its little robotic voice saying, "Your order has arrived." And not only does it work well, it's also adorable. One more detail that shows how technology in China is not only advanced but also very service-oriented. And when you've been walking around the fair for several hours, seeing machines, screens, lights, more machines, suddenly you see this, a massage and body therapy robot. Yes, a robotic spa right in the middle of the exhibition. This gentleman you see here is clearly having the best moment of his day. Look at that peaceful face, that expression of, "Leave me here, I'm not continuing with the tour." The robot massages him, the back, the shoulders, all with precise and programmed movements. No awkward conversations, no shaky hands, just pure digital relaxation. Seriously, after seeing so many machines working, finally, one that works for you. Huh? Is this an exhibition stand or are they really selling coffee? Well, yes, they are selling coffee too. This vendor is quite honestly a business genius. On one hand, he showcases his coffee making machine with a robotic arm, and on the other, he's already selling what it produces. Double profit. He sells the coffee and sells the machine. This is what I call business strategy, boss level. And the machine, honestly, is fascinating. With a super precise robotic arm, it prepares coffee, mixes, doses, and even creates art in the foam. Now, let's take a pause and simply enjoy the process. Watch how the coffee is prepared little by little, how the robotic arm moves calmly, and how the art appears in the foam. A perfect moment to take a deep breath and let the aroma of the coffee, even if imaginary, relax us a bit. Look at that drawing, just like a professional barista's, with the advantage that here every cup comes out exactly the same. Just click and it's done, automated. And to finish this tour, we are going to see a hyper-realistic humanoid robot. Its movements are practically identical to those of a person. It bends, turns, walks, and it can even perform complex movements that would take many of us hours at the gym. And wait, 1 second, is that it? Yes, Xiaomai appears again. This robot dog has already stolen the whole video. It's a shame that right now it's not time for the live demonstration, so we can only watch a bit of pre-recorded video. But well friends, that's all for today from the Canton Fair. I hope you enjoyed this tour of the craziest, most curious and useful technology at the Expo. And if you liked the video, give it a like, comment on which robot was your favorite, and subscribe so you don't miss the next tour.